day before, well, not day before, it is Thanksgiving morning. I need to get some sleep so I can get some cooking, or a lot of cooking done, and also so I can look cute and presentable and not be in a funky mood when you're sleep deprived, okay? But yeah, this is a lot to deal with. So I don't know what we'll do with the hair tomorrow, but we shall see. Good night. It's been raining all day, but finally the sun came out, so I'm happy. I just ran down the stairs in case you're wondering why I sound short of breath. Little dessert set up on the way, and Kareem has been so helpful, so helpful. I don't know what we would do without him. So we have a lot of things going on. There is salmon in the oven, macaroni and cheese, candied yams, still have stuffing. He's doing some vegetables. We're gonna quickly get dressed, or just put something, you know, nice on. Here's some plantain, some broccoli. Let's go outside and see what Kenton is doing, and then I'll show you the quick dining table. This is not where we're eating. We're eating on the larger table. It's a mess outside, just so you know. It's a mess because, again, with the heavy rain, yeah. And we've cleared up all the plants, but there are a few that will survive the cold. All right, boo-boo, what we got here? Oh, he had the umbrella because it was really heavy. And wow, it's so nice the sun has come out. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
But, yeah, you still feel it.
The chicken smells good.
Yeah.
So yeah, typically we would do turkey, but this year we decided let's just do chicken and do, yeah, chicken and salmon, and do turkey for Christmas. Can we see inside, boo?
It's very hot.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so, oh, it definitely probably need another half an hour at least.
Yeah. So by 2 it'd be over.
Right. Yeah. So we're expecting Nana about 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's so nice that the sun has come out. Yeah, it's been crazy and dark. Yeah. Miserable. Yeah. Miserable, and the place is tore up.
Yeah, it's heavy windy.
Tore up. You see all of this? When it gets windy, the pine just drops. Ah, my fig tree, all the leaves have dropped. See? Truly winter. Well, is it officially winter yet? I'm not sure it's officially winter. It's still fall. But yeah, see, all the leaves are gone. All the fruit is gone. Son number 1 came home yesterday, so that's nice. He's taking a break from med school. And here he is today, trying his best to pretend he's not going to look at me in the camera as I'm harassing him. But maybe he'll crack a smile. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so here's the dining table and where we're going to eat. So I had Khalid and Kenton help me. So I was like in between the kitchen and the dining table. So kind of simple. It's not much. We got the flowers spread out there and plates. I decided to do black plates. I don't know why they have like napkins on either side. So funny when you ask 2 guys to do something, but hey, they tried. Usually you only need 1 napkin. You don't need 2. And let's center this a little bit. All right. Yeah, you don't need an extra one. Usually the napkin goes on that side. The knife is facing inward, so that's good. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. So yeah, I'm so happy that the sun came out. So Habiba, go get dressed because Nana's gonna shoot up in here and start saying, I'm ready to eat, I'm ready to eat, I'm ready, why are you guys not ready? So we're eating early at 2 o'clock, 2 to 4 because it gets dark, you know, after 4, she doesn't want to be on the road. Oh my God, I look a horrible hot mess. Oh my goodness, I just lost a nail. Nana just showed up. Yeah, Nana just showed up. So I did talk to her over the stairs, but she hasn't seen me. Anyway, let's make something out of this. I didn't sleep last night, y'all. I could not sleep. I was tossing and turning. I went to bed super late, as you know, because I was doing my hair. But I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off, as they say. I am still not late, okay? We're supposed to start eating at 2 o'clock, so I have 15 minutes to get it together. So hopefully when you see me next, I look somewhat decent. My dresser looks the way I feel, chaotic. I was just drinking a soya milk to get my strength up because I just realized I have not eaten anything. I have not eaten or drank anything, so I had to quickly grab one of these. This is a Vietnamese soya milk. I don't know what to do with my natural hair. I put it in twists, but it's doing too much. So I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. In a ponytail. You can see all my gray hairs. Okay. I have this. Remember these old school hair clips? Yeah, that. I did Miriam's baby hairs for her. You should see they look so cute. Oh my God, I can't close this. My hair is too thick. I'm serious. Oh my God, I gotta pull it. Oh, the struggle is real. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, finally got it on. Finally got it on. The hair is looking luscious. The gray hairs are out. Oh, this looks a mess here. What is going on here? What is going on here? I'm just gonna pull it to the side. All right, what should we do with this? I'll just do that. I like hair off my face. So, you know what? We'll do a 2-strand twist. Kind of like a loose 2-strand twist. And then, yeah, I think that's good. All right, don't forget some perfume. And I already used some of this. I like to mix them. Oh, my background is a mess. Please excuse me. This is just gloss, or should I put lipstick? I don't know. I think the gloss is enough. Okay, so here's the salmon, here's the chicken. And, oh, Nana, come show me which one's what you made. Made mac and cheese.
This is curry goat. I took out some at home. I only made a little. I took some out because my friend just wants to try it. So I thought I'd take some. I took some of that out also.
That's the rice and peas, and that's my stuffing.
Oh, I like the containers. And that's gravy. Mac and cheese.
Vegetables. And we got the candied yams.
Oh, this is the corn pudding.
Well, why? Who dug into it?
I did. I had to taste it at home.
It was like a mouse was in it.
No, it was delicious.
You bring stuff like that.
It was so delicious. I wanted to just sit and eat it.
Oh, okay.
Because I started with a little cube, and then I thought, great.
Hey, if the chef likes it, that's good.
Right. Let's see the dress. Okay. Even though the kitchen's probably not the best place for it, but yeah, nice. So Nana said she doesn't eat mac and cheese, but once in a while it's good to indulge just a little bit.
Gravy.
Yeah, the gravy was right here.
I don't eat sweet potatoes. But...
We have enough spoons?
Thigh. No, I'll take home.
Everyone's got their food. It's time to eat, but then I realized we haven't taken a group picture before we mess up our faces. So here goes. That's us. Happy Thanksgiving. Well, by the time you see this, you've had Thanksgiving. That was the picture last year. We're definitely missing Uncle Bashir. We miss you, Uncle Bashir, and I had to share the quick note he sent us. I thought it was so sweet. I hope he doesn't mind. He says, "Happy Thanksgiving to my amazing, loving, and beautiful family. I'm with you all in spirit as you come together to celebrate another special and precious moment in time. It's truly my favorite time of the year to sit down and break bread with everyone, but unfortunately I have many obligations to work since I wasn't able to get the time off this year. As the clock seems to move with such haste over our lives, take the time, dear family, to love each other and appreciate one another as you always do. I love you." That was from Bashir. Wasn't that sweet? Aw, we miss you. And thank you. And of course, happy Thanksgiving to our friends and family all over the United States, New York, New Jersey, the South, California, all over. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all to our YouTube family for your support. Nana's eating. Nana's hungry. Living in the South, I'm a big fan of sweet potato pie, and I'll take it over pumpkin pie any day. So this is the pie Kareem made, which I think looks excellent. Doesn't it look professional? Yeah. The reason it cracked in the middle is this is in the fridge. It was baked yesterday. So this is sweet potato pie from scratch. The only thing that is store-bought is the crust because it's gluten-free. So the crust is gluten-free, but the filling is the same filling as traditional sweet potato pie that you would find. So, looking forward to it. This is my plate, and I tried to put very little of everything. I was thinking how in the past we always used to say that you eat Thanksgiving meal and you pass out because of the turkey and the tryptophan. I don't know if I believe that. I think it's because of all the carbs. You got macaroni and cheese, rice and peas, plantain, let me see, sweet potatoes. We had salmon, we had the goat, of course stuffing, and then the chicken and vegetables. We had juices, we had dessert. So we had enough, and we are truly thankful, very grateful to have each other sitting together at the table. And we went around and talked about what we were grateful for, which was very sweet. After dinner, you got to take a break before you attack dessert. Eating earlier worked out because Mariam has to go to work afterward, and Nana gets to drive home before it gets dark, because you know it gets dark really quickly now. I mean, we could have driven her, brought her to our house, but she wanted to drive herself. She wanted to have her own car. So anyway, it all worked out. As you know, Nana typically eats very healthy, but every now and then, she doesn't pass up on dessert.
This is too big a piece. But Nana can take... Oh my God, you're kidding me.
You know you're going to eat it all.
Not all of it. I have to take it home. All right, folks, it's been lovely. Come give me a hug, Kareem. What is this? I'm looking.
My gut.
You gotta lose your gut.
You got gut, Kareem?
Not really.
Not really. Look at Nana's fancy boots.
I found them in my closet today.
Oh, yeah?
I didn't know I had them.
Cute.
And I took out the paper and everything. I must have bought it and slung it in my closet.
Of course, when I think of Thanksgiving, I also think of the time our father came to the USA for the first time in over 30 years. Yep, Thanksgiving over 5 or 6 years ago. Yeah, that vest comes from Mommy?
Yes.
One other.
So it does smell good. It smells
And this is
authentic.
light because the heavy is extremely soft and moist. But this one, I was worried was gonna get dry, but actually they put a good amount of rum in it.
Yep, we look alike. My round face, Daddy's round face and wide nose. And what do I get from you, Mother?
I don't know, my good looks.
It's pretty much our sort of standard holiday food.
My master has set me free. She has given me an hour of liberty. All right, folks, here's the great taste test. We're going to test these creepers.
These what?
These creepers.
No, they're crepes.
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 Right.
Crepes.
So these crepes, or AKA creepers, we're going to try it now. Actually, they come in a box, but they put it in a tin so it can fit in the
Show them
fridge.
the handle or the knife that has their logo on it.
Who's you drinking this?
Okay, all right.
All right. So, anyways, so again, it's Lady M or ladym.com. If you want to also see the different types of cakes, or actually not cakes, but crepes.
Crepes and cakes.
Oh, and cakes too. Okay. So again, they come in boxes, but they were placed in a tin. And then you also have these specialty knives to go ahead and cut through.
Easily.
So without having
Messy.
to make it a mess, allegedly, but we'll find out. I'm gonna cut it. One is chestnut and one is plain, but we don't know, so we're gonna find out. All right, here we go. What? How do I cut it? Like this?
Down the
No,
middle.
always from the center and you
That's
go
what I was
down.
gonna do, and then you were like, oh. See?
It's very soft.
See, it cuts perfectly with the knife. It doesn't crumble.
Well, it's
It's like a cheesecake texture.
yeah, it's like a cheesecake. It's almost
That's a big piece. Yeah, that's a big piece. That's what I'm saying. You got Canton cutting.
Well, you can pull it out and then cut it down half the middle. Doesn't matter.
cool.
It's like a
There you
cheesecake
go.
almost.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Just take it.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself.
Bye-bye. Love you. Love you too.
A safe drive.
Yeah, I'll be home in 42 minutes.
It's crazy how time flies and how everyone is getting older. Such is life. Everyone has grown up. So that pretty much was our Thanksgiving 2024. We finished eating, we cleared off the table, and Kareem was in charge of putting away the food and making sure that Nana had a lot of food to take home because we had more than enough. I really appreciate that sometimes, despite feeling overwhelmed, we always get it done because we all pitch in and everyone helps. So yeah, it was a good day. I don't know if you noticed, I didn't have any Christmas decorations up because I don't typically decorate until after Thanksgiving. So now I'm excited to start decorating for Christmas. So after Nana left, Khalid insisted I sit down on the couch and watch this show with him. It was a Nigerian show about parents picking spouses or partners for their kids.
I do other things actually.
What's the name of the show? Any Nigerians watching? Have you watched this show? Or African man or African mom chooses a wife for her son. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye!